This 2020 Forest River FR3 34DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 5, refrigerator, LP detector, external shower, water heater, slide-out, microwave, oven, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, awning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2020 Forest River FR3 34DS is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.